A bolt of lightning can reach temperatures 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. And when it strikes, it doesn't just light up the sky, it hits the ground with heat so extreme, it instantly melts sand into glass. In that split second, something incredible forms. Glassy, twisted tubes called fulgurites, created underground in the blink of an eye. They twist and branch like roots, sometimes stretching several feet long. Natural glass sculptures. Forged by pure energy. Most people will never see one. They're buried beneath our feet, silent evidence of the exact moment the sky touched the earth. So the next time you see lightning flash across the sky, remember. A secret glass sculpture might be forming below you. Hotter than the sun. Created in an instant. Hidden underground.